Yo, what's up, everybody? Yo, do y'all know how to do favorites in your plugin? Say if y'all have a plugin, right? And y'all always messing around with it, you always like it, right? So let me show y'all how to do that real quick. So you would go into basically your tools, and you would go into plugin manager, and in plugin manager, you're gonna see here where you can put faves. And when you make those faves, right? Like say if you click like FlexBeat Player or something, right? Select the plugin, a new thing will come up here called favorites. And all your favorites would be right there. So you don't have to go through your whole list of plugins anymore. All right. So just want to make sure you guys know that. All right. So, oh no. So I'm just show y'all what I'm working on today. So here it is. Now this made that with Masada MIDI progressions. You can get that at the site. Alright guys, go to psychokid.com, support your boy. I love y'all very much. Join our group, the MPC family, the positive group, no drama. There's a bunch of people there who love music. Alright, respect.